Long ball from Thompson. Newport now have the chance to attack the Bangor goal and spread it out to the left. And inside Bangor's penalty area, chance for Newport County to take the lead. And it was Lee Fowler who had the shot. It's a big clearance for Bangor by Lee Webber. Damien Searle. There's a lovely ball into the path of Craig Hughes. Oh, good interchange of passes with Richard Evans. Evans' strike, he just dragged it wide. Steve Jenkins to Griffin on the right-hand side, and here is Craig Hughes. Does well to release Steve Jenkins. Still danger not away for Bangor. Jenkins' cross, surely a goal. Is it 1-0? It's not, off the line. Griffin's header managed to just cause the Bangor defence some problems, and they clambered it off the line. Sean Edwards with an in-swinger this time. Plenty of Bangor bodies in there. The header comes in, headed off the line. It was Lee Webber's attempt. Danger not away for Newport. It goes for a goal kick instead. Richard Evans just attacking down that left-hand side. It's left for Lee Fowler. Is this the opening goal? Oh, it hit the post. Great attempt from Lee Fowler. He steadied himself just outside of the area. And with that low right-footed drive, just hit the base of the post. Bowen linking up well with Jenkins. Bowen's cross. Surely this is the first of the evening for Newport. They've hit the woodwork again. What a great attempt that was by Richard Evans. Good trickery from the former Swansea and Cardiff man. Bowen won't pass to Jenkins, goes it alone. Still with Bowen. He did lose out, but Newport still have possession in the dying moments of this game. Searle plays it to Allsop. It's a good header. Chance for Newport to score. They've done it. It's Charlie Griffin. And in the dying moments of this game, Newport have won this tie.
Yeah, they're what we expected. We've had them watched a couple of times. We've had a few reports on them. They're tough to beat. They work very hard. Got one or two good players who can cause problems for us. But like I say, I think the first half performance, we showed our class. We moved it quite well and created a number of chances.